Fishing is like meditation. It's waiting, testing your patience and sometimes even boredom. Then suddenly, an adrenaline rush, a bite on the line. And even then, you never know if it's going to be a catch or a loss. Fishing is also about the search, finding those hidden waters where no one else can reach. That's why I ride the Fiido T2. With over 130 kilometers of range, it takes me further than I've ever gone, beyond the roads, beyond the noise, to places where patience rewards you and every journey feels alive. There are times you think about giving up, but you don't. You stay, you fight, and before you know it, you're addicted to that moment. Those few minutes when life feels sharper, more alive. Because when it happens, there's no way out. It all comes down to the moment. Out here, time disappears. It's just me and the freedom to chase what I love most.